Hello students, today we would learn about time. This is chapter number 11, time. First revise the concept of time that you learnt in previous class by doing the sums given in this revision section. Now let's discuss telling the time. Have a look on the face of this clock. You can see two hands over here. One is shorter and one is longer. Shorter hand tells us hours of the day and so it is called hour hand, and longer hand, this tells us about minutes and so it is called minute hand. The minute hand is in this phase, the minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 5. It means it is showing the time 5 o'clock. You can write 5 o'clock in numbers as 5:00 and in words you can write it as 5 o'clock. Just put an apostrophe above O. This time is 5 o'clock here. You can see 1 to 12 numbers on the face of a clock and there are 60 small divisions starting from 12 to again you come at 12. There are total 60 small divisions. You can see over here these are very small divisions. You can see this in the bigger face also. You can see 60 small divisions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 small divisions between one number to another. As we move from one number to another, there are 5 small divisions. It means these are showing 60 minutes of 1 hour. Suppose our hand is at 5 and it is moving to the number 6. As it reaches at number 6 from 5, it means it has covered 1 hour. So, in 1 hour, it is covering only this much of space of the clock face, and now minute hand, in 1 hour, it completes the complete round. It goes completely and it completes one round of the face. Suppose the hour hand is at 5 and it moves to number 6, then it means in this duration, in 1 hour, it is completing 1 hour, it is completing only this space of the clock. And what about the minute hand? In 1 hour, it completes the one round of the face. It means it covers 60 minutes in 1 hour. So, you can say that 60 minutes make 1 hour. The clock face is divided into 60 small parts. Each small part, 60 small parts are there in the face of the clock, and each small part represents 1 minute, right? The hour hand takes 1 hour to move from one number to another and the minute hand takes 5 minutes to move from one number to another. Suppose the minute hand starts from 1 and reaches at 2. It means it is covering 5 small division. It means 5 minutes are completed by minute hand in moving from one number to another. And the hour hand, when it moves from one number to another, it means it is taking time of 60 minutes, that is 1 hour to move from one number to another. The minute hand takes 5 minutes to move from one number to another and the minute hand takes 60 minutes, means 1 hour to make full round of the clock. When minute hand moves completely, that is it completes one round of the clock, it means it has completed 60 minutes. Let's now talk about the half hour. The minute hand takes, you know that minute hand takes 30 minutes to make half hour. You know that minute hand takes 60 minutes to complete 1 hour, and to complete half hour, it means it would cover 30 minutes. It takes 15 minutes to make 1/4 of the round, and similarly you can say that it takes 45 minutes to make 3/4 of the round. It takes 60 minutes to complete one round. If you want to represent it in proper order, you can write it as 60 minutes make 1 hour, 15 minutes make 1/4 of the hour, or you can say quarter of 1 hour. 30 minutes means half of the hour, 1/2 of hour, or you can say half of 1 hour. And 45 minutes means 3/4 of 1 hour, means 3 quarters of 1 hour. 1 by 4 means quarter and 3 by 4 means 3 quarters of 1 hour. Now we discuss half past the hour. You know that if hour hand is at 5 and minute hand is at 12, it means 5 o'clock. Now suppose minute hand is at 6 and hour hand is between 5 and 6. Just halfway between 5 and 6. Hour hand is between 5 and 6 and minute hand is at 6. It means half past 5 because it has completed 5 hours and it means 6 o'clock is not the time. This time is half past 5. Half past means 30 minutes after 5. Half past means 30 minutes after the given hour. After the given hour. Now look at the face given on the right hand side of this page. The hour hand is between 7 and 8 and the minute hand is at 6. While coming at 6 from 12, it means it has completed 30 minutes. The minute hand is completed and the hour hand is at not at 8 but in between 7 and 8. It means 7 hours have been completed but 8 hours have not been completed. So the time is 30 minutes past 7. It can be written as 7:30 or you can write it as half past 7. Now let's read the time in this clock. The minute hand is at 6 means 30 minutes have been passed and the hour hand is between 2 and 3 means 2 o'clock has been passed but 3 o'clock is not the time here. So the time here would be read as 2:30 or half past 2. It would be written in numbers as 2:30 and in words it can be written as 2:30 or half past 2. Whenever the minute hand is at 6, it means 30 minutes have been passed. Now we talk about the time quarter past the hour. Quarter means 1/4 of the hour means 1/4 of 60 minutes means 15 minutes. So suppose the minute hand is at 3 and the hour hand is little past 4 means 4 o'clock time has passed and the hour hand is little past 4. It means few minutes have passed after 4. How many minutes? Let's check it. Suppose the minute hand is at 3 and you know that while coming from one number to another, the minute hand completes 5 minutes and when it is at number 3, it means 3 5s are 15 minutes it has covered. So this time would be read as quarter past 4 or 15 minutes past 4 or you can write it in numbers as 4:15. Quarter past 4 or 4:15 you can write it in words. 4:15 or quarter past. Now we come to the topic days and weeks. In previous class you learnt the days of week. You know that Monday is the first day of the week and Sunday is the last day and there are 7 days in a week. 24 hours make one day and 7 days make 1 week. Let's now recall the days of the week. First day is Monday, second day is Tuesday, third day is Wednesday, then fourth day comes, that is Thursday, fifth day of the week is Friday, sixth day is Saturday and the seventh day is Sunday. And the next week now begins after Sunday and you know that after Sunday again the day comes, that is Monday. So Monday starts the week again. Let's repeat these things. 24 hours make a day. The day starts from 12 o'clock midnight. Keep in mind always that the day starts at 12 o'clock midnight. There are 7 days in a week. Monday is the first day of the week and Sunday is the last day of the week. Monday comes again after Sunday. Now we try to write the short form of these weekdays. Monday, it is written in short form as MON. Just write first 3 letters of each day. In this way, you would write the short form of each day. For Tuesday, you can write TUE. For Wednesday, you can write WED. For Thursday, THU would be written. For Friday, FRI is written, and short form of Saturday is SAT and short form of Sunday is SUN. So these are the short forms of the weekdays. Now let's learn what is yesterday, today and tomorrow. Today is the present day, the day that is going on. That is called today. The day before today, that means the day that has been passed. Before today, that is called yesterday. And tomorrow is the day that which is going to come after today. The day which is going to come after today is called tomorrow. Suppose today is Wednesday. The day before today was yesterday, and the day before Wednesday was, it means it was Tuesday. And if we want to tell the day tomorrow, now suppose we want to write the day that comes after today, and if the day is Wednesday today, then the day that comes after Wednesday would be Thursday. That is, tomorrow would be Thursday. Now do these exercises to reinforce the concept. Now we would learn the months of year. You know that 12 months make 1 year. There are 12 months in a year. All months in the year except February have 30 or 31 days, and February has 28 days in common year but 29 days in a leap year. Leap year has 366 days while a common year has 365 days in total. In the leap year, there remain 29 days in the month of February. Usually every fourth year is a leap year. Every fourth year. Suppose 2000 is the leap year, then 2004 would be the leap year. Then 2008 and so on. These would be the leap year. Every fourth year is the leap year. Now we write the names of the months and the days that are contained in that month. January, it has number of days 31. February has 28 or 29 days. March has 31 days. April has 30 days. May has 31 days. June has 30 days. July has 31 days. August have 31 days. September has 30 days. October has 31 days. November has 30 days and December has 31 days. January is the first month of the year. December is the last month of the year. January comes after December again, and in this way a new year begins. Coming leap years, you can say this time 2024, 2028 and so on. We can sing this poem to learn the number of days of the months easily. Let's sing this poem. 30 days have September, April, June and November. All the rest have 31. February has 28 alone. Except in leap year, that's the time when February's days are 29. Just sing this poem again and again to learn the number of days of the months properly. Now we learn about the calendar. A calendar shows days, weeks and months of the year. You can see over here. This is calendar of the year 2012. Last line repeat. This is the calendar of the year 2012. Names of the months have been written in complete form, in full form. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Right? And the names of days of week are written in short form. MON, TUE, WED Wednesday, THU Thursday, FRI Friday, SAT Saturday and SUN for Sunday. And 1 to 30 or 31 or 28 or 29, these are dates. So, what is a date? A date is a particular day of a month. Suppose we are talking about 10 March, 21 August means 10th of the March or 21st of the August, they are the dates. So, you can say that calendars help us to look up the day of the week on which a date falls. A calendar helps us to look up a day of a week on which a date falls. Now we learn about seasons. Worldwide, the year is divided into 4 seasons. These seasons are winter, spring, summer and autumn. Firstly, we talk about summer. It is very hot season. You all know that summer is a very hot season. Autumn. In this season, trees shed their leaves and this season comes before winter. Autumn is the season which comes before winter. Then comes winter season. It is very cold and also in some areas there occurs snowfalls. Spring season. This season comes after winter season. In this season, new leaves grow and flowers are in full bloom. This is the cycle of seasons. Summer, then autumn, then winter, then comes spring and after that again summer comes. Now we talk about seasons in India. Seasons in India are divided into 6 categories. First one is Shishira. It is called Shishir season or Shishir Ritu. It is very cold season and January and February contains this season. Means this season comes in the month of January and February. Second one is Vasanta Ritu, Vasanta season. It comes in the month of March and April. In this season, new leaves grow on the trees and flowers bloom. Third season in India is called Grishma Ritu, Grishma season. This season comes in May and June and you know that these months are very hot. Means this Grishma season is very hot. Varsha Ritu, Varsha season. This season comes in the months of July and August. It's very much clear from the name also that heavy rains occur in these months. In the months of July and August, there occurs rainfalls. Next season is Sharad Ritu, means Sharad season. In this season, trees shed their leaves and this season comes in the months of September and October. Next is the Hemant Ritu or it is called Hemant season. This season comes in the months of November and December and this season is light cold. In this way, you learnt about the seasons of the world and the seasons that occur in India. Till now, you are very much aware with the facts that clock and watches tell us time, 24 hours make a day, a week has 7 days, and there are 12 months in a year, or you can say 12 months make a year, and worldwide the year is divided into 4 seasons, but in India you know that there are 6 seasons. I hope you understood the concept learned in the chapter clearly. Now, we would meet you with the new chapter in the next video.